Hello everybody, Carl L1 Engines. This is ERE-383 number 59. It's Sean and Ozzy Tonson's blower motor. They've run it in their Camaro for quite a few years. They think that there's some ring blow by, so I'm going to tear it down, inspect, show you what I guess what I think is still good. That's it in a nutshell. So let's get started. What am I looking at here? So, when I take these off, I look for broken springs right off the bat. These look really good. I look for debris, signs of head gasket leak, like water in the oil, which there are none. Sean and Ozzy has kept this really clean. Still, we'll keep our eyes open, see if there's... See how they're riding on there? They're riding good. Riding on here, really good. Everything's clean, real clean. Got it. Put them all in. Okay, now what I do is roll these. Feels good, looks good. No wear whatsoever. Not riding, not rubbing up here. We'll look at them all like that. Another place, is this all worn out and been, look like it's been pounded and jumping off the rocker. That right there. Nope. Just good. Number 1357. Number 2468. All just rich and fouled. Although not too bad. This came out okay. Anyway, that's no harm, no foul. This worked okay, and that's not worn too bad. Not worn hardly at all. Dang, if you can see that in there. Not worn at all. Push rods. Are they bent or not? They're 7.3. You get them together, you can tell. And that's my quick tell if there's anything bent. They can get real tight up in there, not be all warped. All right, thanks for sticking with me today. This is Carl L1 Engines.